Hi everyone, this is Cooking with Kurt. Today, my husband Donald and I are going to show you how to make lemon bars. These are moist lemony bites on a buttery shortbread crust.
There are a lot of lemon bar recipes out there that are really sour, but we feel like ours has just the right amount of tang and we hope you like them. Because when life gives you lemons, make lemon bars!
To start, place an oven rack in the middle position and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Take a 9 by 13 inch Pyrex or baking dish and line it with parchment paper, with the parchment paper going up all four sides of the Pyrex dish. Next, prep your lemon zest and freshly squeezed lemon juice. You'll need the zest from one lemon, which is about half a tablespoon of finely grated zest, and juice from 3 large lemons, which will be about half a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Be sure to strain the lemon juice after squeezing to ensure there are no seeds. Next, take a food processor and add in 3 cups of granulated sugar and the half tablespoon of lemon zest prepared earlier. Pulse until the zest and sugar are fully incorporated. Transfer this lemon sugar mixture into the bowl of your stand mixer. Add in 8 room temperature eggs, and using the whisk attachment, whisk the sugar and eggs together on high speed till the mixture looks pale yellow, very fluffy, and doubled in volume. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes on high speed. This process dissolves the sugar and incorporates air, which will form a flaky crust on top when baked. When the whipped eggs and sugar are foamy, thick, and pale, stop the mixer and detach the bowl from the stand mixer. Add in the half cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice prepared earlier, and with a sieve, add in half a cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Sift these in. Use a spatula to gently fold in the flour, baking powder, and lemon juice till everything is fully incorporated. Be sure to scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl to ensure everything is mixed in. Set this mixture aside and let it rest at room temperature while you prepare the shortbread crust.
Take a large mixing bowl and a sieve and add in 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Sift this together, then whisk the dry ingredients together to combine. Add in 14 tablespoons of melted, unsalted butter and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix this together with a spoon till everything is well combined. This shortbread dough should look like crumbles. By hand, sprinkle these crumbles evenly into the prepared baking dish and spread the crumbles into an even layer with your fingers, and using the bottom of a measuring cup, press it down firmly into a flat layer, doing your best to make it as even as possible and getting rid of any gaps. It should make a very tight and compact layer with no gaps. Use an offset spatula to press down the dough at the corners and edges of the pan. Bake the shortbread crust in our preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, or until the crust is a light golden brown. Immediately after taking it out of the oven, use a fork to make small indents all over the top surface of the warm crust. Try to work quickly so the crust doesn't cool off too much. The indentations should not go all the way through the crust, only about halfway through the crust. Then immediately pour the lemon filling mixture into the still warm crust. Return the pan to the oven and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes. It's done when the top is golden brown and the center is no longer jiggly. Let it cool in the pan on a metal rack till it comes completely to room temperature.
Once it reaches room temperature, chill it in the fridge for a minimum of 4 hours, preferably overnight. Once it's been chilled in the fridge, use the parchment paper as handles to lift the entire block out of the baking dish and onto a chopping board and peel back the parchment paper sides. Dust with additional powdered sugar as a garnish. We like to slice it into 16 bars, cutting the 13-inch side equally into 4, then the 9-inch side equally into 4. And there it is. Moist lemon bars on a crumbly, buttery shortbread crust. Ang sarap.
Ang sarap. Mmm. Yum.
So good. These bars have just the right amount of tanginess in them.
And I love how buttery the shortbread crust is. So good.
Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know in the comment section below if you're planning to make these lemon bars. Send us pictures of your creations on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Links below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Cooking with Kurt.
And don't forget to click on the bell so you get notified when we post new cooking videos. And for our written recipes and more, be sure to check out cookingwithkurt.com. Maraming salamat!